Oh yes. It is just so nice out here on the tropical beach. It's very sunny and it's hard to see, but it's very good. I'm having myself a good tropical drink. Very good. Do you hear that, guys? What's that? What the heck is going on? Is that Submarino? Is he in trouble? Oh no! I gotta help him. Alright. Hello guys, it's me, Gucho, and I think I've gotten almost all of the sand out of my brain. So yeah, that's very good. But also, I've created a new weapon for Submarino, and it's a rocket launcher. So let me just demonstrate it for you. Alright. So Jesus. So this is just the standard machine gun. It's not very special. It looks all right, but it's not anything very fancy. So if we press the magic button on the keyboard, we should get a rocket launcher. So let's see what happens. Oh yes. This is the rocket launcher. And as you can see, there's a lot of things going on. It looks like it's 3D, like the rocket is actually flying across the ocean or sea or sky or whatever it is. And I think that looks very, very cool. And later in this video, we're gonna kill a lot of sharks with this weapon, so stay tuned. But first, I will try to explain what's going on. So let me just get a good frame. All right, I think this frame is good enough. Let me get my pen ready, and I'll try to draw over this and kind of explain what's going on. So the effect is honestly quite simple. There are two key elements. There's the actual rocket, and then there's the rocket shadow. So the rocket shadow moves in a straight line. However, the rocket object moves a curved line like this. That's very curved. And the shadow is kind of what sells it. It's what gives the illusion of height and depth. So that's very cool. I love shadows. And there's also other things to the rocket. There's smoke, and then there's a big muzzle flash when the rocket gets fired out of the submarine. But that's just juice. When the rocket passes the shadow, there's an if statement in the code that checks if the rocket has passed a shadow, and when that's true, it explodes, of course, very violently, like this. Bam! And that's very good. There's also some other things to the effect. For example, the rocket rotates depending on how far it is in its flight path. So it starts out in this rotation, like this, and then it ends like this over here. in this orientation. And also, the rocket scales up when it's at its highest point. The rocket object is very big and the shadow is very small, as you can see here. And that also helps the height illusion. Yeah, that's basically it for the rocket object. It's not that fancy, but you know, it looks fancy, at least, I think. So why don't we remove this mess? There we go. And why don't we play a little game of Submarino? So I'm just gonna choose another color palette. Alright, I like this color palette, and you're gonna see all the other ones in my next video. So this color palette is called Nuts. Let's see how far we can get. Alright. So I hope one of these sharks drop a rocket launcher. Come on. Or I might as well just press the magic button. There we go. So you might have noticed that the sounds for the rocket launcher are exactly the same as for the machine gun. And I'm gonna change that, of course. And I'm actually really looking forward to creating the sound effects for it. I like creating sound effects. Oh shit. I'm about to die, guys. Yeah! Alright. Let's try again. Let's try to see if we can get over 1,000 points. That would be very good. Oh no, I don't want to die now. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a laser. Oh, that's good. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. What the heck? Oh, that's a violent shotgun. Oh shit. Oh, we got a rocket launcher. And we're almost over 1,000 points, guys. Oh no. There we go. Okay. Let me try and get these rockets. Come on. There we go. Very satisfying. I like it. Oh shit. Oh. It was a pretty good score though. And we're level 94, so that's very nice. Alright, let's try again one more time. And I don't want to wait, so I'm just gonna press the magic button. There we go. Oh shit. That's good. The shotgun is so violent. Ooh. Alright guys, I think that's it. I'm done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing and liking, and maybe leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. But anyways, see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.